Nandito ako ngayon sa Roppongi. Sinamahan ko si ate kasi meron konting problema yung resibo niya sa kanyang passport, which is dapat FI, naging FA. And then, alam nyo, the staff of the Philippine Embassy is so nice. And then talagang ini-entertain talaga agad kami. And then talagang hinanap agad talaga nila yung record niya ate, if wrong or not. So, ate is there. So, we are here at Roppongi. There is the Roppongi Hills. As you see, the building there is Roppongi Hills. So, actually, galing ako sa meeting ni Mickey. And then, yes. And then, I need to go to another meeting today. So, thank you for today, Melinda Nishi. And then, Jimmy, nice meeting you. Chris and Jam. And yes, see you next month in Philippines. Very busy ang day. And, thank you so much, Philippine Embassy. Talagang, good job.